What is the capital city of Bangladesh? Four options: Dhaka, Seoul, Bangkok, Delhi. Time's up. Right answer: Dhaka. What is the official language of India? Hindi, Urdu, Bangla, English. Four options. Time's up. Right answer: Hindi. Next quiz. How many states are there in India? Four options: 29, 28, 30, 32. Time's up. Right answer: 28. Next quiz. What is the national bird of Bangladesh? Four options: parrot, pigeon, hen, doyle. Time's up. Right answer: doyle. Next quiz. What is the longest river of India? Four options: Ganga, Jamuna, Padma, Surma. Time's up. Right answer: Ganga. Next quiz. What is the national flower of Bangladesh? Four options: gladiolus, water lily, sunflower, dahlia. Time's up. Right answer: water lily. Next quiz. What is the national animal of Bangladesh? Four options: deer, lion, tiger, elephant. Time's up. Right answer: tiger. Next quiz. What is the national sports of India? Four options: basketball, football, cricket, hockey. Time's up. Right answer: hockey. Next quiz. What is the national tree of Bangladesh? Four options: mango tree, jackfruit tree, bamboo tree, apple tree. Time's up. Right answer: mango tree. Next quiz. What is the national fruit of India? Four options: jackfruit, mango, apple, banana. Time's up. Right answer: mango. Next quiz. What is the Indian highest civilian award? Four options: Padma Award, Film Award, Bharat Ratna, Veer Chakra. Time's up. Right answer: Bharat Ratna. Next quiz. What is the national anthem of India? Four options: Kumi, Tarana, Vande Mataram, Sonar Bangla, Jana Gano Mano. Time's up. Right answer: Jana Gano Mano. Next quiz. What is the highest peak of India? Four options: Kamet, Nanda Devi, Shasher Kankri, Mount Everest. Right answer: Mount Everest. Next quiz. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar, Lal Bahadur, Charan Singh. Time's up. Right answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Next quiz. Which state in India is the most literate? Four options: Punjab, Bihar, Delhi, Kerala. Time's up. Right answer Kerala. Next quiz. What is the currency of Thailand? Four options: Dirham, Rupee, Baht, and Taka. Right answer Baht. Next quiz. What is the largest city of India? Times start. Punjab, Assam, Mumbai, Delhi. Time's up. Right answer Mumbai. Next quiz. What is the Taj Mahal located in India? Four options: Agra, Manipur, Goa, Tripura. Time's up. Right answer Agra. Next quiz. Which country shared the longest terrestrial border with India? Four options: Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China. Time's up. Right answer Bangladesh. Last and final quiz. In which year did Rabindranath Tagore win the Nobel Prize? Four options: 1914, 1915, 1916, and 1913. Time's up. Right answer 1913. Thank you for watching.